Next, Hirayana Boro class 6. Yes, Hirayana Boro class 6. Let us give a big clap for her. Next, Lisa Das. Please come. Name is there. I just look over it. Yeah. They are first rank holders. Is there any left out in second rank holders? I think no one. So, is there anyone left out? You can raise your hand. If anybody left out, no one, I think. First of all, I congratulate everybody, those who got first and second rank. And I would like to call all class teachers. Please come here and hand over the memento. All the class teachers. So who is the class teacher of nursery? He or she will hand over the memento to the class 1 student, class nursery student, and in this way. So please come. All the class teacher, nursery to class 9. Please come. Nursery to class 9. And Sir Julius, bring the memento. Where is Sir Julius? Bring the memento on the tray. Please, all the class teacher. First of all, we'll hand over the first rank holder. Please come this side. Yeah. So please hand over nursery. Nursery, last year nursery, of course I think absent. Then KG. KG Paxtonjo. So please come, class KG, class teacher. Paxtonjo. This side, yeah. Paxtonjo. Paxtonjo Deimari. First rank holder. Here. Yeah. No, this is Boro Chungu. Paxtonjo. See the name. Class KG. Now class 1. Paxtonjo, see the name. It's okay? No. Madam will. Yeah. Let us give a big round of applause for him. Thank you very much. Yes. Next, Aksaria Bosumata, class 1. Now class 2, but the class teacher of class 1 will hand over the memento. Aksaria. Class 1 class teacher, yeah. Please hand over the memento to Aksaria Bosumata. Yes. Let us give a big clap for her. Next, Emmanuel Kochari, class 2. Yes, Emmanuel Kochari. Let us give a big clap for him. Thank you so much. Next, Derby Sona Deimari, class 3. Class 3, class teacher of class 3. Huh? Where is he has gone? Dipanjali, Madam, class teacher of class 3. Anyway, Madam Pranali, please hand over the this one, memento. So Derby Sona Deimari, class 3, of course now class 4. Let us give a big clap for her. Yes. Next, Bidin T. Bosumotari, class 4. Bidin T. Bosumotari. Bidin T. Is the name okay? Bidin T. Bosumotari, yes, class 4. Let us give a big clap for her. Then, Asnika Deimari, class 5. Asnika, so class teacher of class 5 will come. What is William? Oh, class 5. Asnika, yeah, this is the one. Asnika. Hand over the memento to Asnika. Let us give a big clap for her. Next, Hirayana Boro, class 6. Yes, Hirayana Boro, class 6. Let us give a big clap for her. Next, Bonita Devi, class 7. Class teacher of class 7 will come and hand over the memento. Class 7, Bonita Devi. Let us give a big clap for her. Next, Lisa Das, class 8. Lisa Das, class 8. Please hand over the memento. Class teacher. Yes. Let us give a big clap for her. Thank you very much. Next, Precious Basumatari, I think absent. Subong Sri Daimari.